Let's delve into the motivations, what inspired you to take on this project, specifically redesigning the call-up sneaker for Sabrina too. Let's go with you first, Alex.
Actually, it's designing and art was really like a big passion for me. Um, since I could remember, like high school, elementary, and then college. So parang working for Titan and becoming a designer is was really a lifetime dream, and parang hindi ko na imagine yung sarili ko doing a different thing. So parang sabi ko sa sarili ko, I want to be someone or I want to be known in the creative field. And that a step to that one is being the lead apparel for design, and of course having that opportunity to influence the landscape of sports, um, and sports and fashion, ganon, diba? And then to showcase not only my talent but my cause, but also Titan's commitment to the game and to the community. Parang yun yung naging motivation for me, and parang sabi ko din sa sarili ko, that in itself is a privilege. Me being able to stand here or be able to do the work that I do for Titan and for the community is already a privilege. And of course, parang as I can share, parang being part of the design team for a Titan-led collaboration sneaker with Nike, or a collaboration signature shoe really is beyond imagination. Na parang it's only not a privilege and also parang it's not just an imagination. And I also see it as a responsibility na parang sige, it's a way for me to continue the cause of that, or to represent the cause of Titan, na parang hey, I want to show to the world or I want to show to the people that Titan has always been about celebrating the game, and its culture. And, just to be able to bring that to life through a signature shoe is an incredible honor then. And it's an incredible journey. Like, unexplainable talaga siya. So my journey from working on the graphics and apparel, down to championing women's representation in sports and fashion or in sports alone, has really shaped and has really become my main inspiration for this design or to the entire project. So it mainly came from the idea of having a chance to tell a story, that is really rooted in the shared passion for the game or shared passion and love for the game talaga. So, yun yung naging North Star ko, kumbaga, personally and as a designer then.
I think that, yeah, just to work with Titan itself is already a huge privilege for me. I mean, sino ba naman ako, di ba? And then to work with these women is such a privilege. Also, parang sobrang nag-enjoy ako like for the past few years just working on the Show Her Love campaign with them. And then to be asked to design a Nike sneaker, I think ask any designer, any young designer or any designer of any age, and they will tell you that one of their dream projects is to design, specifically they will say, a Nike shoe. And parang I think that this dream was so big na, yeah, if you ask me, I will say it, but hindi ko naman siseryosohin na mangyayari siya sa akin. And then, parang you work all these years, di ba? And you think na it would be nice to design a Nike sneaker. You never take it seriously kasi almost close to impossible. That's how big of a privilege it is to be tapped. And then when I got the news, we were on a group call. Me, Alex, Ayla, and then Titan's creative director, si Alin. And when he broke the news to us, I don't think I gave the appropriate response, which would be to jump up and down, stand up, flip your table because you're so happy. Kasi during that time, we just found out that we were expecting a baby, and I was not in my best physical shape. I was sleeping for 12 hours a day, ganyan. So I was really scared na parang, I don't want to let this team down. I don't want to be the weak link in the team because I was unable to, like, I was not my best self then. And I almost didn't take the project on. But I'm so glad that I did. Kasi parang, I don't know if this would be offered again, this kind of opportunity. So, sabi ko parang, I'm just going to do my best effort. But luckily, parang this team, parang I felt that they really carried me. Si Island, si Alex, and also Alin. I feel that that's what's nice about working in a team. Parang, no one's good at everything. No one person is good at everything, or no one person can be 100% all the time. And when you're not 100% all the time, or when parang the project asks for things that you lack, parang that's when you really appreciate working with such talented and such capable and wonderful people talaga. I think parang that's my lot in life, to be part of great teams all the time. And then also I decided to work on the project kasi I wanted this to be a story I could tell my son na, oh, you were with me already then. You inspired me already then, and I hope you think I'm cool, honestly. um, so yeah, it was such a milestone for me. It's incomparable to anything I've ever worked on so far. Yeah.
Literally a lifelong dream of mine. Because as I've said earlier, ever since I can remember, I kind of have been infusing my creativity with sports. So, nung grade school kami, high school, ako yung nagde-design ng jerseys namin. Tapos, for fun, nagdo-draw ako on sneakers, with markers, mga stuff like that. So, yun nga, sabi ni Larry, ask any young designer, any aspiring designer, sasabihin niya na dream niya to. And I guess for me then, di ako nagtithink twice kapag project yan involving Titan, let alone a collab with Nike. And then to add to that, it was for an athlete as inspiring and impactful as Sabrina Ionescu. So nagpatong-patong talaga siya. No-brainer siya for me. And then dagdag mo pa dyan nga na I was gonna work with Alex, Larry, and Alin in a team. So ako kasi I like being a teammate and I like having teammates. I like working in a team setting. And I think yung biggest takeaway ko din dito is it's bigger than myself. It's bigger, like this, it will go down in sneaker and basketball history. So it's something bigger than me, and it's also a huge opportunity for growth, to learn from, to step it up ba? Kasi naka-work together na kami, so parang nag-level up na yung ask of us, and may involved na ng mas technical things sa buong process na to. So the whole thing was just like, I was just a sponge to it all, trying to take it all in and trying to be in the present and appreciate every bit of it talaga. Kasi sobrang blessing niya, and yun nga, I'm not sure if this opportunity will come again. So sobrang dinamdam ko lang talaga siya lahat.